guys already know me, you must be knowing that I'm an active user of Instagram. And in case you are seeing me for the very first time, here is my Instagram ID and you can explore about me and my artworks there. So I recently picked up a controversy which goes between freehand drawing and grid making method. So I also found that some people consider this as cheating और इससे काफ़ी confusion create हो जाता है beginners में. So let me clear this out from my side that I don't consider कि grid making सही नहीं होता है या beginners को नहीं सीखना चाहिए. It's absolutely okay, but some conditions apply. So basically there are two types of methods, which is grid making and freehand drawing, right? No doubt freehand drawing बहुत ज़रूरी है, वो आपको आनी ही चाहिए. But if you are a beginner, you need to practice both simultaneously. Freehand for enhancing your skills and grid method for more details and more perfect proportions, I would say. तो वो दोनों चीज़ें ज़रूरी है और जैसे जैसे आप दोनों प्रैक्टिस करोगे आपको पता चलेगा कि दोनों चीज़ें काफ़ी इंटर रिलेटेड. वर्किंग with grids is quite easy as compared to freehand making, but freehand making भी आप काफ़ी आसान कर सकते हो, उसकी प्रैक्टिसिंग काफ़ी आसान कर सकते हो अगर आपको कुछ अच्छे से मतलब एकदम सही सही स्टेप्स पता हो तो कि ऐसे ऐसे करने हैं. सो कैसे बताऊँगी? So this is what this video is all about. So I am going to share how you can practice freehand drawing step by step. So without any further delay, let's have a look.
For reference, I would neither suggest you something which is easy for you, nor a challenging one. All you need to do is level up yourself accordingly. Give yourself some time to learn. Pinterest is the one app I can recommend you all for the amazing references. You can simply download it from Play Store. A tip for beginners here is use keywords like portrait photography, still life figure study in place of art, drawings, painting, etc. Observing reference can be the game changer. You need to focus on some basic lines and shape every reference has. You can add these lines on the reference similarly. Slowly, you will start imagining these lines and shapes as per the requirements. This method will not only help you to measure proportions but will also help you to figure out your mistakes. Here in this reference, you can clearly observe a big triangle, some squares and rectangles. These shapes play an important role while drawing freehand. Do not focus on small details like hairlines, clothes, curls, drapery, etc. Do go with the very basic. Have some patience and observe each and every curve and line present there. This will make your basic strong and is somewhere in this way related to the grid making method. Take your time, do not hurry. Now, keep observing the reference and keep guessing the upcoming lines. By the time, if you haven't subscribed my channel, make sure you do. Also press that bell icon for more updates. It's time to draw now. I'm using an A5 grey tone sketchbook from Brewstroke. You can use any. Do not use big size papers like A4 or A3 for beginners. While drawing, make sure you are only making lines which are visible. Avoid darker lines and overlapping as much as possible. Simply use HB or 2B of any available brands like Apsara, Camellin, Rose, Stedler, etc. Try to copy the basic lining accurately, ignoring the details. Once you're done with the basic lining, it's time to add details layer by layer now. Increase your pencil pressure a little bit while making details from the basic lines to avoid the confusing situation afterwards. But you need to be careful, pressure should be the minimum. You can add some more small shapes and lines present there, like a triangle while making nose or circle while making chin, shoulders, etc. Feel free to use eraser wherever needed, but make sure you work within your basic lining structure. You can further add details like eyebrows, hairlines, etc. At last, you can simply remove the basic lining using a kneadable eraser for more accurate drawing, and you are done. Keep practicing freehand drawing with similar references and you will start feeling the progress yourself. Good luck. I hope you found this video helpful. Bye bye.